Extra hold styling clay. Now this is the strongest out of all our tubs. This has the maximum hold with a low sheen. Now, what I love about this product, if you're into active sports, outdoors, and you find product normally just disappears in your hair, this doesn't. This gives your hair 24-hour lasting, and that's what I love about it. Now, you'd always think with something so strong, it'll be hard to apply. This isn't. This is nice, soft, and creamy, as you can see. So you can just work it through. Not much. You apply it into your hands, and you can work it through. So it's nice and soft and creamy and easy to work. You can apply this into dry, wet, or damp hair, and you simply just work it through, begin at the roots and then work it through the ends. Just want to tell you about some of the key ingredients in this product. It actually has beeswax, which provides hold and protection. The carnauba wax nourishes the hair, and the bentonite provides definition and a matte texture. It's also gluten-free, this product. As you can see, you can work it in, get into the roots, gives you a nice texture, nice strong hold. Work it through. Don't be afraid to work it right through the hair. There you go. Come around. That'll last up to 24 hours. Extra hold styling clay.